What's going on, guys? So today I'm going to do a little photo shoot of the car, maybe get a little bit of video of it. There's a spot down here that the city I live in, Ennis, is known for the blue bonnets this time of year. So we have this thing called the Blue Bonnet Trail. So I'm gonna drive down to this place. We took some pictures of the dogs yesterday. I'm gonna hopefully get some cool pictures of the car. Pretty dirty right now, but I don't think you'll be able to tell in the photos. And I honestly don't feel like washing it. I mowed today, like, as you can tell, looking fresh, looking good. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna go get some pictures, get some photos and some video and stuff like that of the car at this place. And it's down by the lake. It's a pretty cool spot. Hopefully there's not a lot of people over there, because yesterday when we went, dude, there was literally, I'm not kidding, guys, there was probably like 200 or 300 people there taking pictures. I saw license plates from Florida, from Michigan. Like, dude, you're coming all the way to Texas, to Ennis, Texas, for some blue bonnets, for some flowers. Holy cow. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna go down there, hopefully find a spot where I can take some pictures. It's Monday at about 3 o'clock, so hopefully we'll beat the crowd. 3 o'clock, I don't know if we will or not, because now everybody's getting off work. I need to go pretty soon. I'm gonna run to Starbucks real quick, get some coffee, and then head that way. So let's go. Can I get a venti iced caramel macchiato with extra caramel, please? Yes, ma'am. That's it. It's a little Volkswagen. It's a little GTI back here. That looks pretty good. Pretty nice looking. All right, guys. So here's what the iced macchiato looks like. Freaking delicious. I came back to the house real quick because I wanted to grab the drone. I haven't got a lot of flight time with this thing yet. So on this great, beautiful day, I'm gonna get some practice and do some of the focus points on my car and see like how everything works. I'm pretty much trying to get used to it today, because tomorrow I do have a client that wants me to take some drone footage of some property. So I've got to go tomorrow ready and able to provide the services that, you know, I know that I can. So I would have got a video of it when it was passing by. Gorgeous. So yeah, here's the this is on a Monday, by the way. Monday at like 3 o'clock. Yesterday this thing was packed full. At least today I have a little bit of a little area. As you can see, taking some pictures right here. Looks pretty sweet. Beautiful. So obviously, guys, out here right off the water, the wind's a little bit more intense, as you can probably see in the trees. It probably doesn't look like that much on camera, but pretty heavy out here. We're gonna try and take the drone up, but I don't know how that's gonna work out. Hopefully it works out good, because I do not want to crash this thing. I just got it, so try it out, see what happens. Alright guys, I just got some epic drone footage. I'm pretty sure if everything works out alright. Got some cool pictures of this truck. Got some pictures of my car. I really wasn't able to fly the drone low enough to get the shots that I wanted of the car. And that's because there's so many people here. I didn't want to freak anybody out. I had a couple people come up to me and were asking, you know, like, one lady, she was like an older lady, she's like, I thought that we were getting spied on. I thought I was gonna have to pull the gun out and shoot it down. And I was like, oh, I'm so glad you didn't shoot it down. But it was pretty funny, guys. So as you can see, there's starting to be more and more people out here because it's starting to get later in the afternoon and stuff. So more people are getting off work and coming out here and taking pictures and stuff. But wasn't able to get the shots that I wanted of my car, but I think the shots of the blue bonnets and of the lake and stuff are gonna make up for that. So I'm gonna start heading home now, guys. Probably get the footage on my computer and maybe edit it real quick and just kind of take it easy for the rest of the day. Had a busy day today, so I'm gonna count this one as a win. Gonna sit in here, enjoy my Starbucks, and I'll catch y'all at the house. Such a cool shot, really beautiful. I had to time it just right because when people, oh, here comes the guy right now. I gotta go. Such a beautiful place down here, man. It's crazy. So this whole video is probably gonna be like a whole bunch of pictures and videos of just like cars and blue bonnets and stuff like that. But hope y'all enjoy the drone footage I throw in here. And yeah, guys, just a real beautiful day to be out here shooting. I'm gonna let y'all hear the car a little bit with the new intake and the tune on it. I was in cruising mode too. I wasn't even in sport mode. That was actually very slow. I could feel it. Go ahead and put it in Sport Plus. Let y'all hear the turbo a little bit. There we go. She flies, baby. Dude, if you have a Subaru and you don't have an intake, pretty much the stage 1, if you don't have the stage 1 setup, I would highly suggest getting it. Just the intake and the access port, oh my gosh, makes the car totally different. It's like a brand new beast, man. This car before was really fun to drive. If you've ever driven a STI, you know they're pretty fun to drive. The all-wheel drive and just Sally Corner and stuff like that, I mean, they're amazing vehicles. But whenever you get that access port and the intake and you really open up the engine and you put an exhaust on here, boy, it's like, I'm telling you, man, it's a brand new machine, man. It just feels so much like just such cleaner power is the best way I can explain it. It's just like such a great feeling. What's up, guys? So just got back to the house. I'm gonna go ahead and edit that video and hopefully get it up for y'all today. I'll show you what my boost is peaking at right now. That sounded good. It sounded like a bike. I'm pretty sure that was a bike. That sounded good. Oh yeah, it's a bike. Definitely. I miss my bike, dude, so much. So I'll let you know, before I got the intake, and pretty much I'm just gonna say the stage 1 kit. Before I got the stage 1 kit, my peak boost was at like 18. I think the highest I saw was like 18.2, which is pretty good for like a pretty much stock STI, I think. I don't know what they come stock, the boost they're pushing. It's probably 18 or something like that. But since I did the tune, this thing is pulling like crazy, man. So right now you can see my peak boost has been 19.2, and that's I just hit that on the way home. Like, I took traction control off, I came around the corner and just got on it hard, and peaked out at 19.2. So I think that's pretty good for, I mean, like, exhaust, tune, and intake. I know that, like, I've seen other people building their Subarus. Let me turn this off because I know it's pretty warm right now. I know, like, whenever I see other people building their Subarus, like even after, I'm not sure about if they have the stock block still, or if it's like a full rebuild with the built engine and stuff like that. But I know like full bolt-ons, I've seen people, most of the time they want their boost to be around like 20 to like 22. That's what I've been seeing a lot. I know that you can go higher than that, and I've seen some cars that are pushing like, you know, 28 and 30. But I think that's like pretty serious builds. But I was just thinking about it. I was like, man, like 19.2, almost 20 pounds of boost out of a stock turbo. That's pretty decent, like, to think about. I mean, I don't know, maybe that's just me thinking that, but for me it sounds like that's a pretty good number. I know one day, man, this flag right here is gonna snap. It's gonna land right on my car. I need to reinforce it somehow, or get a new pole. I think that pole's like, that's like an old pole that was here. I put our flag on it. Now I've got the American flag over here waving. But anyways, guys, that's totally random. See, I have ADD like horrible. I know I do. It's self-diagnosed ADD because I've never been to the doctor for it. But yeah, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed this. Look at this paint, not even clean, and you can see that shimmer. Let me see if I can get it. Hopefully you can see that. I love this color, man. That is why before I wanted to wrap the car, I was gonna do like that gunmetal gray, but I started looking at this white more and more, and I was like, man, you know, this is really a beautiful car. It has ceramic coating on it, and it's just like, the paint is pretty flawless. I mean, there's not really any spots on this car that are that aren't really beautiful. It's got a couple dings, like the previous owner, whenever he was putting this wing back on, he had the was it the ARP or APR, whatever wing that is that everybody gets for the Subarus. He was putting this one back on and accidentally hit it right here and put a little dent right there. But other than that, man, this car's like flawless. So yeah, guys, I appreciate y'all watching. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Today is the 16th, so let me check the front door. My parts are here. That would be, nope, okay. So that'll be another video. Look at the grass, man. Looking good out here. Cut it this morning. So I have some engine bay covers, the K&N engine bay covers coming, and they should be shipping out today. So hopefully within the next week or so they'll be here. Hopefully this week they'll be here, and we'll be installing those. And other than that, guys, I appreciate y'all. I love y'all, and continue watching. I appreciate it, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.